I'm so excited. This is, sometimes I'm like, this is sad how excited I am about like some kind of something, but then I'm like, why would I shame myself about that? If a freaking lip gloss or a lip product or whatever makeup wise is gonna like boost my mood, honestly, I need that in my life. I'll take a mood boost anytime, anytime. Okay, so I have never tried Fenty lip gloss before. Who am I? What year is it? And right now is the first time I'm gonna be trying Fenty lip gloss. Honestly, whatever, I'm so excited. And it's kind of dark in here, so I'm sorry if the lighting is whatever, but it's natural and I just can't wait anymore. I got the, what is it even called? I don't know. But I freaking worked at Sephora when this like launched and this was like iconic and it's iconic. So it's the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, obviously, the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer, and I have the shade Fussy. I need you to just look at this packaging. I mean, my hands are shaking really bad. So this gloss, I'm not a gloss person. I'm really not, but lately I have felt like I should be. Don't know why. I thought something was just my closet. That terrified me. But it's so beautiful and it is so like, this is expensive. It's not cheap, but honestly, is it gonna be worth it? I don't know. But like the details and the, ooh, yeah. I'm just gonna try it. And what am I gonna use as a mirror? This, because honestly, I don't care. Oh, fresh, this is $18. It ain't cheap. But, oh, fresh. I don't know what that smell is, but it is divine. It's kind of fruity, but like, I don't know, man. So this is not the original shade, but I like this one because it's a little pinkier than like the original like Gloss Bomb. I don't even know what that shade is called. I like can't think right now. I'm just so excited. So I'm gonna put this on and it smells amazing. So there's quite a bit of product on the actual doe foot. It's a big doe foot. I like that as well. Ugh. Oh, that's smooth. I feel like I just put a lot on my lips, but what is that smell? It reminds me of like a sweet candy, but not like obnoxious. Ooh. It doesn't feel sticky. It just feels smooth. Oh, sweet God, what is that smell? I don't even feel like I need to put on any more, but I'm gonna. Actually, I'm not gonna overdo it because there's still a lot of product left on this. Like, you don't have to go in twice, for me at least. And my tiny little lips, oh, yeah. My lips are so chapped and I did not exfoliate them in the slightest or at all today, really, so that's gross. But even without doing that, like, my lips feel so smooth. Can I say smooth one more time? Oh, yeah. It ain't bad. I'm like sweating. I'm sweating. Is it because of the lip gloss? I don't know. Wow, this lip gloss feels... Okay, I really don't want to talk too long about this because this is just a try on lip product that I've been doing. But this is so nice, and let me see if there's anything on the package that I should read. Addictive Shine Nourishing Wear Universal Finishing Touch. Okay, Rihanna. 12-month shelf life. I'm pretty sure they are also cruelty free, but if not, I will put something somewhere on the screen. But, oh God, it smells so good. I feel like it's a cute color. Like, this Fussy shade is really cute. It's more pinky than the original one that I think is more nude. I really thought about getting the Diamond Milk one, and that's like the more like white, silvery, it looks like I want to eat it kind of. Is that gross? This feels like an everyday type of gloss. I don't have anything else on my lips, so honestly, I feel like you could just rock it by itself or do like a lip liner or put it on, honestly, putting on top of lipstick. God, this feels so nice. Anywho, all right, that's it. That's all I was gonna do today is try, not today, like what I was doing with my life today, but yeah, I just wanted to get on here and try this Fenty Gloss Bomb for the first time, and I am feeling pretty great about it. So yeah, first impression, that's just how I feel. I'm putting this on my freaking vanity so I use it and see it regularly. Otherwise, if I lose it, I will maybe punch someone. Yeah, I just wanted to get my first impressions of trying it on today because it kind of blew my mind that I hadn't worn Fenty lip gloss, but I've sold it to people. All right, that's all. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever you feel like. It does help me out and I do appreciate it, but I will see you all in my next video. Bye.